Good afternoon, students. In this video, you can see some examples for direct and indirect speech. After learning these examples, you have to write in your English classwork. Okay? Look at the first example. She said, Natasha wants to become a doctor. She said, Natasha wants to become a doctor. This is direct speech. This is direct speech because you can notice here comma and quotation marks, right? And how to change into indirect speech? In indirect speech, it will become, she said that Natasha wanted to become a doctor. She said that Natasha wanted to become a doctor. In the indirect speech, you have to add the word that. That is conjunction here. That you have to add in the indirect speech. Next, you have to notice the direct speech wants, that is simple present tense. It will become simple past in indirect speech. Simple present will become simple past. So that she said that Natasha wanted to become a doctor, right? And also you have to notice that in the indirect speech you have to remove comma and quotation marks. Only you have to use full stop in the ending. Okay? Next, I said Emma went with Nick to a movie. I said Emma went with Nick to a movie. In indirect speech, it will become, I said that Emma had gone with Nick to a movie. I said that Emma had gone with Nick to a movie. Look here, went, that is simple past. In indirect speech, that became past perfect tense. Simple past became past perfect tense. Went became had gone, right? I said that Emma had gone with Nick to a movie. Next example, he said, I will not go to the market. He said, I will not go to the market. That is direct speech, right? In indirect speech, it will become, he said that he would not go to the market. He said that he would not go to the market. Here, that is conjunction. Then he, that is the pronoun. Then modal verb will should become would, right? Will, that is the modal verb. It will become would. So here, he said that he would not go to the market. And also you have to remove the quotation marks in the indirect speech. Only you have to use full stop after the word market in the ending. Next, the boy said, I am glad to see the sea. The boy said, I am glad to see the sea. That is direct speech. In indirect speech, it will become, the boy said that he was glad to see the sea. The boy said that he was glad to see the sea. You have to notice here, am became was, right? I became he. I became he. Am became was. That present tense became past tense. That you have to remember here. Next, Rohan said, you look disappointed. Rohan said, you look disappointed. In indirect speech, Rohan said that I looked disappointed. Rohan said that I looked disappointed. See here, you, that became I in the indirect speech. And look, that is simple present tense. That you have to make here simple past. Looked. look became looked. So in indirect speech, Rohan said that I looked disappointed. So dear students, I hope almost you got ideas regarding about direct and indirect speech. After learning, you have to write these examples in your English notebook in the grammar section. Okay. In the next video class, we can discuss some more examples for direct and indirect speech. Okay. Thank you.